option C. Sir, option C. Sir, second one option D.
First one option C.
Second one option D.
ఏంటి?
Third one option C. Third one option C.
You are fast actually. This much fast means
Sir, fourth one option B. Sir, fourth
first one option C. What's the actually about what is this what we have to do? This add man out.
Dot. Yes, sir.
Sir,
This is, yes, figure is different one we have to
Sir,
see.
odd
Add
man
man out.
out.
Different. Which is different? This one cross. Okay.
Sir, option C.
This one is
Second
directly.
one
This is the
option D.
simplest one.
D.
Sir, third one option C.
Third one.
Option C.
Third one option C.
Sir, fourth one option B.
Option B,
Sir,
sir.
fourth one option B.
Sir, fourth
Sir,
one option
option
B.
B.
sir.
Sir, option B.
Why B? Why B?
Sir, because
Because in this star shape is getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everything remaining all are getting this star actually triangle star, but this won't get I think.
Sir, fifth one option A.
sir, fifth one option A.
Yes, good.
Sir,
Fifth
sixth
one
one
A.
option
Why?
B.
Option A.
Why
Sir,
fifth one A?
Sir, like this one, sir, all like this.
Anti-clockwise.
Sir, anti-clockwise.
Clockwise.
Sir, sixth one option D.
Sir, sixth one option D.
Sixth one option D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right side. Why D? You tell me, everyone in the class. Why?
Sir,
Fifth one option D.
sir,
fifth one option D.
because of anti-clockwise.
First of all, for it left side.
Yes, sir.
But for this
Sir, this one right
left
side.
side not there.
Right
Okay.
side.
Anti-clockwise.
Yes, but it's not. Okay. This okay. This is anti-clockwise in this direction. But for these all, this is side. Okay. Right. Option D. Good. You are fast. Okay. Right.
Option D.
Next seventh one. Where is
The
seventh
sixth
one?
one option D.
Yes. Sixth
Sir,
one. Next seventh one. Fast.
Sir, seventh. Sir, screen not working.
Wait 30 seconds.
Sir,
Wait
seventh
30
one.
seconds.
Seventh one option B, sir.
Sir,
Sir, option B. Eighth one option C, sir.
seventh.
This dark circle is there. Light circle. Okay. This circle is not dark.
Option C.
Eighth one.
Ninth one option B.
Sir, ninth one option D.
Option D. Sir, tenth one option A. Sir, tenth one option A.
Sir, tenth one
Ninth one.
option A.
Ninth one option what? Ninth one.
Ninth one option D.
Sir,
option D.
Tenth one.
Sir, ninth one option A.
Ninth one A.
Ninth one option A.
Okay.
Sir, ninth
Wait.
one option A.
Option B.
Ninth one. What's the answer?
Sir, option D.
Sir,
Option D.
option
Ninth.
Ninth one option B.
Sir, option D.
Option D, sir.
Yeah. Like that we have to see.
Yes, sir. Sir, tenth one option A.
Ninth one option D.
Tenth one option D.
Tenth one option A.
Wait a minute. Wait. In ninth one, if I
Okay.
take this one, if I rotate this one once clockwise or anti-clockwise, it will also become horizontal now. So what's the answer?
Sir, this answer has a book.
Answer must be A, I think. But
B, sir. Sir, B.
tell me
Sir, B
fast.
only. Sir, B.
Okay. This horizontal lines I am fixing it, but this will be A. Actually,
Sir, why, sir? B only, no, sir.
because if I rotate this one direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise, what will happen? Same lines.
Vertical, sir. We
Okay, okay, right. Okay, I understood what you are telling. Okay, right. This one.
Option A.
Right.
10th one option A.
Option A, 10th one option A. 10th one
Seventh
option
one.
A.
Similar figures, huh?
The 10th one option A.
This we must within complete
11th
within
one
7 hours.
option D. 10th one option D.
Next this one.
12th one option A. 11th one option D.
12th one option A.
Okay, 13.
Option D.
So 13th one option
Option
B.
B.
So 13th one option D.
13th one option B.
13th one option D. 14th one option.
One option C.
So 14th one option C.
Option B.
So 14th one
15th one
option
option B.
So 15th one
15th
option
one option B.
Sir, option B.
16th
Okay,
one
good. Option B.
option
16th
A.
one.
The 16th one
16th one option A.
The 16th one option is 17th
option A.
option D.
Option D.
17th one option
19th one option
C.
19th
18th one option 19th one option 18th one option C.
Option C,
19th
okay,
one
right.
option D. The 19th one option B. The 19th one option B.
B.
The 20 option D.
21 option D.
19th option B. The 19th one option B. 20 option D.
Good.
So 20 option D.
Yes, right. Next 21. Make it fast. Yeah, these are good questions. We need to get circle one line.
The 21 option A.
Yes.
The 21 option A. The 22 option C. 22 option C. 22 option C. The 23 option D. 23 option D.
Wait.
Sir, option B. Sir, option B.
Option B, sir.
Sir, option B.
Sir, option B, sir.
This one fast.
Sir, 24th option.
24th option.
Sir, option B.
What we have to do this one?
Sir, option B.
Like this I have to
Sir,
do.
option B.
That only.
Sir, option B. C.
Like this I have to do. Huh?
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, 13th one option D, sir, 13th one.
Wait. 24th. 13th one. Huh? Which one?
Yes, sir. 1, 3, 13.
Into one you get option B, sir. 24th one option B.
13th one. Huh?
Sir.
Okay. Good.
Sir.
Next fast. Tell me. I am going on fastly. That's why I am missing. You should be concentrated. Good. You are concentrating well.
Sir, option B.
This 24th.
Option
24th you are missing.
24th option.
Sir, option B.
Tell me. Wait. Everyone tell me the reason. 24th. Tell me the reason.
26th option.
We have to
7
copy
option
this
B.
one actually. Okay. This and this are
Yes,
same.
sir.
And I have to copy this.
And the
Okay.
same
Option D.
sir.
Option D idea.
Sir, D. Sir, B.
Option A.
Sir, B, sir, 24th one.
So nice.
Okay.
Sir, 24 B.
Sir, 26th one option A. Sir, B.
25th C.
Wait, I will draw and see.
అక్క
25th D.
వాళ్ళందరూ నాకు
25
25 ఉన్నారు నాకు ఓన్లీ 19 కనబడుతుంది
Like this only.
వీడియో కనబడుతుంది
Option A. 27 B.
Yes, 25th, 24th answer be 25th one. Fast.
Sir, 25th A.
26th.
Option A. Sir, 26th
Sir, option
option
A.
C. Sir, 26th
Sir,
option
26
C.
option C.
27.
26 option 3. 27 B sir.
Option B.
Sir 27 option D.
Sir 28 option C. Sir option C.
Option
Sir option C.
Option C.
Sir 29 option D.
Sir 29 option D.
Option D.
Option D.
Sir 30 option B. Sir 30 option B.
Sir 30 option D.
Good. We have completed within 10 minutes. 30 questions in 10 minutes. Good. We are fast. You are fast, children. You are fastest.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 1 dot, 2 dot. This is somewhat typical. You have
Sir
to.
option A.
Sir A. Sir A.
Sir option A.
Sir option A.
Yes. Here, see. This black dot is
Sir,
coming for
option
2
A.
times. So this also come for 2 times again. Yes. Yes. Right. First of all, white will come 1 time. Okay. Like this only we have to keep like this.
Sir 32 option A.
Sir 32 option A.
Option A. 32 option A.
Sir 32 option A.
B. Sir 33 option B.
32 option what?
Option option A.
Sir 32 option A.
Option A.
How it will be A?
Sir like this.
I can't be like this.
Option C sir.
Option C now.
Sir option C.
Sir, upon same on this selection also.
Here, okay, okay.
Sir option C.
Sir A.
A or C? Which one is the correct answer?
Sir, 32 A.
Sir 32 A.
Sir, only down one change.
Okay, this upper one is changing at third time. Okay, so this one must be changed at third time. Again, this also changing at second time only direct, and this again it's changed. So down are changing one. Okay.
Sir,
So what's the answer? A. Okay, right. A is the correct
Sir,
answer.
option A. Sir, 33 option B. 33
Sir
option B.
33 option B.
Sir, 34 option A.
Sir 34 option A.
Sir, 35 option. Sir, 35 option D. Sir, 35 option D.
1, 3,
35
5,
option
7.
D.
It's upside.
Sir, option D. Sir, 37 B.
Sir option D.
37 B. Sir, 38 option C. Sir, 38 option C. Sir, 38 option
Sir
C.
38 option.
Yes.
Sir 38 option C.
Yes, I will upload this in YouTube also. You can watch for with 2x speed. You can complete within 10 minutes. Okay, this one
Sir, option.
it will
Sir,
come this
option
side.
B. Sir, option B.
Sir option B.
Sir, option
Clockwise moving na? Clockwise.
option
Option D.
Option D clockwise.
40 option
Like
D.
this. It is rotate one.
40 option D. Option D.
Yeah, option D. What one?
Sir, 41 option. 41 option C. Sir, option C. 41
Here, it will going
D,
up.
sir.
It all will go up.
Sir, 42 option. Sir, 40. Sir, 42 option D.
41 option C. 41 option C.
Good, good. 40 seconds.
43 option D.
41 option.
41 option C.
It is changing of arrow side or it will be
option
180 degrees.
Sir, 42
Clockwise.
option
It also rotate like this.
43 option C.
So it will come here. This one or A.
Option
Sir C sir.
42 option A.
D is absolutely wrong answer. See
Sir,
here.
43
It is
option C.
rotating this much time.
Sir, 43 option C.
Sir option A.
It also rotate like this. Here it will come.
43 option C.
Sir 42
This
option
one.
43 option C. Sir, option C.
Option C.
Sir 42
This line
option
will
A.
come. and we have to come out with circle.
option
Yes or no? We have to
Yes,
come out
sir.
with square. Yes, square came, and these all remained same only.
So 45.
This dot must be upper side, and this one option D. Understood?
option.
So 45 option B.
44.
So 45 option C.
45.
45 option B.
Option B.
Option
Yes.
D.
45 option B.
This exchange.
So
Yes, we have
44
to
option
exchange.
D.
46 option B.
Sir,
46 option B.
46 option B.
Yes, this one came between, and this came down. This also come in between.
Sir, 45 option B.
45. Ah, yes, okay. This completed. This completed one. You don't need to
45
tell.
option B.
This
So
office.
47
This
option C.
office.
So 47 option C. So 47 option C.
What happened? This will came here like that. Okay.
7
This part
option C.
became and came like here.
Sir,
This
C.
also it will came
47.
up like
So
this. It must come up like this.
47 option C.
So
Option
Sir,
C.
option C.
48 option C.
Sir, 48
48 also option C.
49 option C.
49 option A.
Sir, 49
49 option A.
Sir, 49 option A. Sir,
Sir,
50
49 option A.
50
Sir, 50 option.
option
Sir, 50 B.
Yes, we came to this square figures. It's the easiest part
Sir,
and it's
50
interesting
option B.
part. Directly we have to tell. Option?
Sir, option
Sir, 51 option C.
Yes, good, good.
Sir, option C.
This one?
Sir, 52
option B.
Yes, easiest question. Easiest question. This one?
53 option C. 53 option C.
Yes, this one. Okay, you can see afterwards also. I will upload this in YouTube also. Next 54.
53 option C.
Option A.
55 option Subsection B.
If we take these all things, it won't become square. It will become rectangle. Okay. It will go here like this, or at least it will go here. It will become rectangle. Okay, right. These are simplest approach. You have to approach. How you approach is important. Means it will decrease your time. Yes, good. You become fast, children. Yes, you are faster. This one.
58 option B.
Yes.
59 option C.
Option DRC. DRC. We have to know now what. Make it fast. 59 DRB. Why not C? This size is smaller. Okay. How much time you have completed? Within 20 minutes. Great. Oh, this much fast. 60 questions in 20 minutes. How like that? You are fastest students. Great. Good. You have to implement in examination also. But you have to speed secondary, accuracy is most important. You have to do correct answer. Okay. With 1 mark also. Okay. First of all, accurate. Correctness is most important. Speed secondary. Okay. What is the decimal equivalence? So these all I have to do calculation. This directly we can do by 100. Ready.
Say 44.
Can we get to option?
Say 62
Why
option
Mukti?
B.
Why what happened?
Sir, D
Okay,
also
we'll go
said
through one
that.
passage. Wait. I will go through one passage. I will only read.
Say
You are not reading that much
Say
fast. You may read inside your brain in your while I am reading. You may read. Me, I have to read outside, but you have to read in your examination hall. You feel it's the examination hall. Okay, like that you feel and you go ahead. Okay, I will read, but you don't listen to my sound, my reading. You have to read in your mind. You should not read out. Okay, that's main. I will see. Should not silently. Again, you are getting. If you read outside like this in examination hall, they will send you out. Okay, you don't read out. Again, sound coming. Should not come. Desert is a place where there is a sand all around. Desert is a place where there is sand all around. It is a hot and dry place. There is very little rain in deserts, so very few trees grow there. The only plants that grow in deserts are cactus, data date palms, and thorny bushes which do not need much water to grow. The Sahara is the biggest desert in the world. The biggest desert in the world, Sahara. It stretches across the whole of North Africa. The Arabian Desert is also a very large desert. In India too, there is a desert called Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Life is a desert. Life in desert is tough. The day are very hot and night are very cool. Okay, now I will see. The biggest desert in the world is
Option B.
Here they have given North Africa. Means Africa.
Sir, option B.
Africa belongs to South Africa.
Option B. Sir, option B.
Next, date palm grows. It is easiest passage. Date palm grows in desert.
Sir, option C.
Yes, I'll see. Date palm. The only plants that grows in deserts are cactus. Okay. Next, in desert region there is no rainfall.
Sir, option D.
There is enough rainfall.
Sir,
There
option
is
D.
no rainfall.
Sir,
Someone are
option D.
telling little rainfall.
Option D.
Okay, there is very little rain. Okay, they have told.
Sir, option D.
Good. You told. Who told that? Tell me your name.
Sir.
Okay, good.
Option B.
Good.
Sir, Sahiti.
Like this time you have to tell. Okay, everyone. No problem. If you tell also, I don't worry. I don't catch you. I don't know who told the answer. You can tell your name and you can feel proud. Okay. You have to utilize these situations. You will feel happy.
Sir,
Okay.
option B.
Yes, there is little rain. They have given climate in desert, pleasant, difficult, comfortable.
Option B.
Yes, tough, for difficult, all are antonyms, not antonyms, synonyms. Difficult.
Sir, option B.
Option B.
Option
Why can't you do? Very few trees grows in desert because very few trees grows in desert because most trees need water to grow. What is the answer?
Most trees need water to grow.
Yes, most trees. Yes, we will go through passage only. Okay.
Option A, sir. Yes, sir, we will go to again.
The only plants that grows in desert catches. Here, there is very little rain in deserts, so very few trees grow there. So rain means water. Water only, with water only it will grow now. So you have to understand like that. Understanding. So what you understood here, you no need to understand sentences, not sentences. You need not know. You no need to understand words deeply, but you have to understand the sentence, the main aim of the passage, the main aim of that sentence. Okay. So this very little rain means water. So like that you have to understand. So most trees need water to grow. So that understanding is most important. The main aim of the passage you have to learn. Okay, right. Next passage. You go ahead. Long ago, a large redwood tree which was very tall. Why I am here? The redwood.
redwood is
Again, reading outside, you
had
feel as you are in the exam hall.
Long ago,
one
large
family
redwood
called
tree
its home.
was
One
very
day the tree asked
in
the
the forest
question
there and a redwood
down the
asked,
slope
You wait
of
for
the
20
"Is
valley.
seconds.
there no one heard him? Redwood trees for many years, for more years, many more years. It has green still like leaves and it was here all year. That was like a tree, and they grew up the high thereby
Okay, you can go and study in your PDF. In the PDF there now. You can
they
study in
all
that also, no problem. Okay, long ago a large redwood tree which was very okay. You listen. No need of if you won't look also no problem. You listen to me. Long ago a large redwood tree which was very tall stood in the forest. Why I am here? The redwood tree asked, but sadly no one heard him. The redwood tree stood there for many more years. It had green needle like leaves and it was green all year. That is why the birds liked the tree and they grew up and had babies. They are lived in the redwood tree. About 200 birds families called it a home. At sundown, the sound of nesting birds was so loud that deers couldn't rub their back on the tree's trunk. Okay, the bird noise at their ears. One day the tree asked the small same question he had asked for all those years. Why I am here? I wish someone would cut me down and build 10 homes with my wood. Then I would be good for something. A blackbird heard the tree. She flew up from the ground to tip of the telling all other birds. A blackbird heard the tree. Okay, a blackbird heard the tree. This is just an illusion. She flew up from the ground to the tip of the top, telling all other birds. You have to understand the sentence. How to approach the sentence is most important. She flew up from the ground to the tip of the top and telling all other birds, our trees want to leave the forest. Means leave means go out of the forest. All together, let us tell the tree. Okay, means those birds are planning to tell their trees. You don't go out from forest. If you go means if you go out from forest means we don't have any shelters, or our kids means that little birds will be there now. They won't have shelters now. Like that they are worrying. Okay, all together let us tell the trees. They said today you are 200 homes, not 10 homes, but 20 times 10. Okay, 20 times 10 means 200. You are home for all of us. Please don't leave the forest. That day the trees was happy to find out why he was there. Okay, they have got the answer. Why they are always questioning themselves, why I am here. But that birds made them to understand. Please don't leave the forest. So why they tell they are 200 birds are 200 bird families are staying there. Okay, this is also wonderful passage. This message oriented passage. Okay, birds liked the redwood tree because they could eat its seed and sit on its branch. It was green all year round and had needle like. They could live close to the ground. They could live near the top. This is the easiest question, and without reading the passage, I will answer this. First of all, you will tell answer. Answer is B, because it was green all year. That's why that birds are staying there. It was green all the year. So here only they have given. Here where is there green all the year? Yes, see. It had green needle like leaves and it was green all the year. The redwood tree stood there for many years. More years it had green needles all the year. That is why the birds liked the tree.
Option B.
Okay, direct answer. And without seeing also you can tell, because you have to go deeper into that passage. You have to understand that much deeply. Yes, the trees was sad because, yes, this also I can tell without seeing the passage. It was lonely in the forest. It wanted its wood to be made into homes. The deer rubbed its back against the tree. The bird noise hurt its ears. What's the answer? This is also wrong. The bird's noise hurts is here. No, they didn't given in the
Sir,
passage.
option B.
It wanted
Sir,
it to
option
would
B.
to.
Sir,
Sir,
option B.
option B. Sir, option B.
Sir, option B.
Sir, option B.
Wanted. The trees was sad because it wanted its wood to be made into homes. Or it was lonely in the forest. What's the answer? The deer rubbed it back. Okay, we'll go through the passage only. For my
Sir,
answer is
option
this A. But I will show you in the passage only. Wait, where trees are feeling very unhappy, where they are feeling long ago redwood trees which very tall stood up in the forest. Why I am here? The redwood asked, but sadly no one heard him. Okay, that's why they want to leave the forest. But I will show this also not there in this passage where it was green, not this. It wanted its wood to be made into homes. Okay, wait, where is that? That also there in the passage. My wood. One day the tree asked the same question he had asked for all those years. Why I am here? I wish someone would cut me down and build 10 homes with my wood. Then I would be good for something. But what's the question they are asked? The trees was sad because. Why they are sad? Here it will come. Why I am here? Long ago, large redwood tree which was very tall stood in the forest. Why I am here? The redwood asked, but sadly no one heard him. No one heard him. Okay, because it indicates that it was lonely. The redwood tree stood there and for many more years. It had green needle like leaves, and it was green all the year. That is why the birds liked the trees. Okay, here we'll see this also. I will see a blackbird heard that she flew up from the ground to the tip of the telling that. Okay, from here it will start now. One day the tree asked the same question he had asked for all those years. Why I am here? I wish someone would cut me down and build 10 homes with my woods. Then I would be good for something. So what's the answer? While reading these two sentences, while approaching these two, what's your answer? Perfect answer. Everyone, Lakshmi Prasanna, tell me. What's your perfect
option
answer?
B.
Option B also correct. Option A also, but they also showing because it was only in the forest means see here, it is showing here. So, but sadly no one heard me. No one heard me means it is lonely now. It is lonely only now. But sadly no one heard him. Okay, but still there. Here one tree asked himself. Redwood tree asked here. Here who asked? Here another tree asked herself. Which one day the tree asked the same question. Another tree. It is not redwood tree. But what they are asked? They asked the tree. Okay, they asked tree now. That's why we can choose B. Okay, why? You understood? If they asked the redwood tree means we must keep it was lonely. Here the two trees asked themselves. Okay, Lakshmi Swami told very well said. Okay, but here see, one day here, where is that redwood tree? The redwood tree stood there for many more years. It had green needles like leaves and okay. Why I am here? Long ago, large redwood tree which was very tall stood in the forest. Why I am here? The redwood tree asked, but sadly no one heard him. Means no one is hurting means it is lonely. Okay, no one is listening your voice means you are only one person. But here one more tree. One day the tree asked means it is another tree. Okay, it is not redwood tree. So you need this much deep understanding is required, children. Okay, answer is B. Right. Good. It wanted its wood to be made into homes. Okay, yes or no? Wait. It wanted its wood to be made into homes. The tree was sad because it wanted it to be made into homes. One day the tree asked the same question he had asked for all those years. Why I am here? I wish someone would cut me down and build 10 homes with my wood. Then I would be good for something. Okay, right. Okay. B is the correct answer. Yes, we'll move ahead. Next. 87th one. First. 87th completed. Where is 88th? Okay, 88th one. From the ground to the tip of the top means what? Under the tree, from the ground to middle of the tree, from the ground to topmost part of the tree.
Sir, option D.
From the middle to topmost part.
Sir, not looking, sir.
From the ground asked now.
Option
D. Sir, option D.
Option C, from the ground to topmost part. They have given ground now. Ground. You have to go from ground. Okay. The writer wrote this story mainly tell why the red trees are important to the forest, or make people buy redwood trees to build homes, make birds happy, tell fact about redwood trees, or unhappy. What's the answer? These are